Good morning, everyone. My name is Nafilatul Maimunah with ID number 205250838. Today, I would like to present the result of my extensive listening. The title of listening material is What is Self-Talk? I choose this topic because I think it's very interesting and closely related to our daily lives. Everyone talks to themselves sometimes, but many people do not know that this is actually a normal psychological process. I want to understand why self-talk happens and how it affects our thoughts, emotions, and behavior. And this I watch.
In fact, most, if not all of us, engage in some form of self-talk every single day.
Yeah.
So, why do we talk to ourselves?
Yes. Before listening, I read the title and looked at the thumbnail to predict what the video will discuss. I also thought about my own experience with self-talk and prepared a notebook to write down new vocabulary and important points. While listening, I paid close attention to the speaker and first used English subtitle to help me follow the content. Then I use Indonesian subtitles to understand the material more clearly and find out the meanings of difficult words. I paused the video several times to write notes and replied some parts that I did not understand clearly. After listening, I read the transcript, reviewed my notes, searched for the meanings of unfamiliar vocabulary, and summarized the main ideas is in my own words. This helped me understand the content better. The video explained that self-talk is the conversation we have with ourselves, either silently in our minds or sometimes out loud. Many people think talking to yourself is strange, but psychologists explain that it's completely normal. Self-talk begins in childhood when children talk to themselves while playing. As they grow older, these habits become an inner voice that helps them think, plan, solve problems, and control their emotions. The video also explained that positive self-talk has many benefits. It can improve focus, increase confidence, motivate you, and help you manage stress. For example, encouraging ourselves before an exam or a presentation can help you feel more confident. However, the video also warns that negative self-talk can be harmful. If people constantly criticize their person, the video introduced cognitive behavioral therapy or CBT, which teaches people to recognize negative thoughts and replace them with more balanced and compassionate ones. This topic is very relevant to my daily life. As a university student, I often talk to myself when I study, prepare assignments, or give presentation. Sometimes I encourage myself by saying I can do this, but sometimes I become too critical when I make mistakes. After watching this video, I realized that positive self-talk can help me stay calm, improve my confidence, and reduce stress. I also learned that I should treat myself with more kindness instead of focusing only on my weakness. Okay, this listening activity also helped improve my extensive listening skills. I learned several new words and became more familiar with a natural English speaking style. Listening to authentic material from TED also improved my pronunciation, vocabulary, and listening comprehension. During this activity, I faced some difficulties. The speaker talked quite fast, and there were several psychological terms that I had never heard before. Okay, to overcome these problems, I used English subtitles and intonation subtitle after that. Reply difficult part. Read the transcript after listening and look up unfamiliar words in dictionary. These strategies help me understand the video more effectively. In conclusion, this listening activity gave me new knowledge about self-talk and reminded me of the importance of speaking kindly to myself. I believe positive self-talk can improve not only our mental health but also our confidence and daily performance. Thank you for your listening. Goodbye.